Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever studied English for years but still found it difficult to speak fluently? Do you know hundreds of English words but struggle to make a simple conversation? If your answer is yes, then this video is exactly for you. Today, we are going to discuss one of the most powerful habits that can completely transform your English speaking ability, thinking in English. Most English learners make one common mistake. They think in their native language first, translate the sentence into English, and then speak. This habit slows down your speaking, reduces your confidence, and often leads to grammatical mistakes. Imagine having a conversation where English words come naturally into your mind without translating. That is exactly what thinking in English helps you achieve. In this video, you will learn what thinking in English really means, why it is important, the biggest mistakes learners make, 10 practical techniques to train your brain, a simple 30-day practice plan. So let's begin. What does it mean to think in English? Thinking in English means creating thoughts directly in English instead of translating from your native language. For example, if you feel thirsty, don't think of the sentence in your own language first. Instead, think, I am thirsty. If you look outside the window, think, the weather is beautiful today. If you are reading a book, think, this book is interesting. These simple thoughts gradually teach your brain to use English naturally. Why do most people fail to speak fluently? The biggest reason is translation. When someone asks you a question, your brain often follows this process: native language to translation to English to speaking. This takes time. Instead, fluent speakers use a much simpler process: English thought to English speech. That is why they respond quickly and naturally. Benefits of thinking in English. When you develop this habit, many things improve automatically. First, your speaking becomes faster because there is no translation. Second, your confidence grows because you no longer hesitate before every sentence. Third, your vocabulary improves because you begin using words in real situations. Fourth, your grammar becomes more natural because your brain learns sentence patterns through regular practice. Finally, your listening skills improve because you start understanding English directly instead of mentally translating. 10. Practical ways to think in English. 1. Start with small thoughts. Do not try to think about complicated topics on your first day. Instead, think simple sentences like, I am happy, I am hungry, I need some water, I am learning English. These tiny thoughts are the first step toward fluency. 2. Name everything around you. Look around your room. Say the names of everything you see: chair, table, window, laptop, bottle, fan, door. Then make complete sentences. The fan is on. My phone is on the table. The window is closed. 3. Describe your daily activities. While brushing your teeth, think, I am brushing my teeth. While making breakfast, I am cooking breakfast. While walking, I am going to the market. This daily narration trains your brain continuously. 4. Ask yourself questions. Create a conversation inside your mind. What should I wear today? What am I going to study? What will I eat tonight? Then answer every question in English. 5. Read every day. Reading teaches your brain natural English. Read children's books, short stories, newspapers, blogs, or simple novels. Pay attention to sentence structure instead of memorizing grammar rules. 6. Listen every day. Listen to English podcasts, interviews, audiobooks, and YouTube videos. Pause the video and repeat the speaker's sentences. This technique is called shadowing and it greatly improves fluency. 7. Keep an English diary. Every night, write about your day. For example, today I woke up at 6 o'clock. I exercised for 20 minutes. Then I studied English for 1 hour. I learned 10 new words. Writing helps organize your thoughts directly in English. 8. Stop translating every word. When you hear the word apple, imagine the fruit instead of translating it. Connect English words directly with pictures and real life experiences. 9. Speak to yourself. Many learners are afraid of speaking with others. Start by speaking to yourself. Talk in front of a mirror. Describe your plans. Share your opinions. Explain what you are doing. This builds confidence without fear. 10. Practice every single day. Consistency is more important than perfection. 20 minutes every day is much better than studying for 4 hours once a week. Common mistakes. Many learners wait until their grammar becomes perfect before speaking. This is a mistake. Children do not learn grammar first. They learn by listening, copying, making mistakes, and practicing every day. Do not fear mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. A simple 30-day practice plan. Week 1. Think only in simple sentences. Week 2. Describe everything around you. Week 3. Read English for 20 minutes and write a short diary every evening. Week 4. Watch English videos without translating and speak for 5 minutes every day on any topic. By the end of 30 days, you will notice that English starts coming naturally into your mind. Stay motivated. Remember, nobody becomes fluent overnight. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Success comes from daily practice, patience, and consistency. Even if you improve by just 1% every day, those small improvements will become huge over time. Believe in yourself, keep learning, keep practicing, and most importantly, keep thinking in English. Conclusion. Thinking in English is one of the simplest and most effective ways to become fluent. It helps you speak faster, understand better, remember vocabulary more easily, and communicate with confidence. Start today with small sentences. Describe your surroundings. Read every day. Listen carefully. Write a diary. Speak without fear. The more you think in English, the more naturally you will speak English. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more English learning lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning and remember, don't translate, think in English.